Hi, sir. Good morning and good evening. So now I am going to explain my big data analytics and application assignment 2. So let me share my screen. Okay. So my task is to write a Spark program where I need to group the words based on the first letter from the given input file. Okay, this will be my input file, and then my output file should look like. So this is my in the sense this is my text file. I mean paragraph. So what I need to do is I need to split the words as per the first letter. So united, unified. So like this, these are the words having the first letter U. So I need to group these letters based on the mm, group the words based on the first letter U. So like so in this way I had given done the assignment. So let me explain you. So for performing this operation, I need a Spark, right? So I had installed Spark for using this command, and then this listing the libraries which is used for the interpreting. So that's why I listed the JVM, and then I set up the Java and Hadoop. So again, I will be installing the PySpark framework. So this is the latest version, PySpark 3.0.3. And then this is to run the Spark application, I need the configuration, right? So that's why I had given you the comments, and I had executed this command. So actually, this in actually, how this PySpark works, right? Actually, it will be working in the master's level node. So the task will be handling by the master, and it will split the task into subtasks, and then will be given to each slave node. Okay, and then whatever the output will be getting from the slave node, it will be take the output will be come and whole into the master node, and then it will be displaying the output. So this the so that's why we'll be giving the master name like that. So this involves everything the Spark configuration, and then I was mounting the data input file into the Google Colab. So this is the command I had executed, and then here I had did the data. I had did the input data. This is the path. So I did it. Actually, here I used to try. I tried to read this data in this format, but when I was trying to do later on, I was getting error that your data frame is not having the attribute, is not having some operation like that it is showing. So let me discuss with you this thing. So right now I had this is the command where I used to read the data, and this becomes the RDB file. Here you can. So I'm taking this count. It is one, as because I told as because here you can see in the input file. In the input file, this is only one paragraph. Let me open it. So that's why it is one. If it is having two paragraphs, it means if it is two lines, then it will show two. Okay, and then this is the command which is to read the data, and then here I had defined the function where I can remove the spaces and then punctuation. So here I was calling the function. Along with it, I had used the flat map. So inside the flat map function, I had used this function call. So what it will be doing, first of all, this data will be, it will remove, this function will remove all the spaces and then punctuation marks. Okay, and then here what it will do, whatever the words we had divided, it will split into each word, yeah, the, like that. So here you can see. Now I was taking the account, it became 245. Means it had become it was splitted, right? So that's why it become 245. This should be up. Okay, no problem. And then here I was taking the first 10 words, first 10 count, okay, first 10 words. So in this way, the data is splitted. So right now, what I was doing is to inform to give the to get the output in to get the output. I mean, to group the words, all the letters should be in one format, so it will be flexible to see. So that's what I had done. I had written a map function where the first letter of the word should be in capital. So this is the map function I had used. So it will convert this. This function will convert the word first letter of the word into uppercase. Okay, and then here I also include one more filter function where we'll be having some non-numeric. We'll be having numeric values also. To get out of those, to read out of this, I had to use this function. It is not useful, but I had included it because of more expertise hands-on on this. Okay, and after doing this thing, I had taken the one. It become 242. So there is one word which is there is one numeric numeric number, I guess. So that's why one is removed. So right now I will be having 244 words. And then I was taking again top 10. I was reading the data. So here what I will be doing now, I will be making it into a tuple. So my tuple will be having in the first letter of the word along with that word. So here I was doing using the map function. So you got the output. So you can see here in this data, I will be having some distinct data. We'll be having some repeated duplicate data. So that's what I'll be doing. I was taking only distinct data. So this is the command I had in, and then I had taken the so it become 150. Now what I will be doing, so actually in here, after taking the distinct data, I will be grouping that data. Okay, actually whatever the data present based on the A value, A letter, A keyword. So I will be doing key value like if the key will be A and then the value should be whatever the data starting with A letter. So this is the reduced by key function I had used. So after that, for executing this command, I had taken the top 10. I had taken the 10 records from those. Okay. So this is in unsorted format. So that's why to be clear, I had used the variables in this way. This is not in a sorted order, so that's why like that. Here you can see distinct like that, distinct word. So you can see like the data is both be like it formed as a tuple. So what I will be doing, so here what I will be doing, and then I was sorting the data based on the key value. So here you can see the key is 2. So actually at the top I had explained, I told you that we are taking only non-numeric data, right? We are removing that numeric data. But here the reason is this entire 2020 how is treated as a the word. So that's why it is not removed. So that's why it will be taking. So if I kept that one also, somehow it will be 28. Means it will after the 2 it will become 28, 2 comma, and then the value will be 28. Like so, for more expertise hands-on, I had written the command like that. Finally, I was writing the data into the output file. So after executing this command, so this is the save as text file, and then this RDD will write the data in output folder. So here after executing this command, you can see here the output. Okay. I had executed 2 times. This is for the testing purpose.